All right, good morning, everybody. It's 8 o'clock. It's Wednesday, the 17th. Hold on. All right, so what we'll see in here is looks like we're going to have a pretty good down opening on the Dow this morning. Retail sales came out a little changed from last month, but we have some big companies reporting some negative numbers here. So I think we're going to see this market down this morning on the opening. Could be pretty good on this next leg down on the Dow. Looks like it could be pretty substantial as well. We still have that gap from a week or two back that needs to be filled. So got a lot going for us for this thing to pull back down to the downside. So we'll see, but it looks like right now the Dow's going to be down for the day. And we're probably going to see a pretty heavy opening on the Dow. So I wouldn't be surprised to see it down 300-400 on the opening. But anyway, let's take a look and see what we have on our charts. I do have a buy coming up on a gold that looks like, let's see. Not quite yet, but I'm going to be watching for a buy on the gold. I don't have anything in the indices right now. They're going down. Not seeing anything there. Not seeing anything in our currencies. Okay, so we'll continue to watch RTY, which is your mini Russell. We'll continue to watch NQ, which is the mini NASDAQ. GC for gold, NG for natural gas. And on the on Forex, Euro US and the US yen over here. And then for our stocks, continue to watch Tesla. And then our three new stocks are going to be FIVE, WSM, and DKS. These are fairly strongly correlated stocks, somewhere in the 70-75% in terms of correlation, positive correlation. I'm going to be watching this natural gas, possible short coming up over here on the natural gas. Going to watch natural gas. I'm going to have to come down to 94.45 on gas in order to trigger a short. Okay, we'll watch that 94.45 level, see if we hit. If we do, we're gonna have a short here. It's gonna be a nice HF1 short. It's one of our patterns. I do like that pattern. So it'll be an HF1 short. Too early to get in, so we're not gonna get in yet. All right, watching Tesla now. Tesla comes down to this 908.80, which it looks like it's going to. It's could have pretty good move down. So let's take a look here. 908.80. All right, natural gas is going to trigger a short here. So we're going to have a short on the natural gas. Okay, gas is short. Target on gas is going to bring us down to 93.95. It's going to be our profit target, 93.95. we need a reverse on this, it's going to be 95.45. All right, the only thing we have right now is we did get triggered short natural gas. 93.95 is going to be our profit target. So once again, what we're doing this morning is we're demonstrating a couple things here. We're demonstrating our, what we call Einstein, provides us exact entries, profit target, and our reversals. I'm going to be using that on the stock indices, on the mini Russell and the mini NASDAQ, and then on gold, natural gas as well, and on the stocks. And then on the currencies, US yen and the Euro US, we're going to be using one of the 5 different patterns that come with our core package. We call them behavioral patterns. They are universal. We do like them, and we will go ahead and watch and see if we get any triggers, possible short coming up on the US 10, so I'm going to keep an eye on that. Okay, natural gas slowly trying to come down to 93.95. We're sitting at 94.18.
Profit target hit.
All right, we did hit a profit target on natural gas, so we're out of the natural gas trade. Watching for a possible short coming up over here on the yen. US yen. All right, we are flat right now. Still think we could pull back over here on Tesla down to the 908.8 level, 908.80 level. If we do, could have a pretty good move to the downside, so we're going to watch that. Watching gold to see if we're going to get triggered long on the gold. Don't have anything yet on the US yen. right, I'm gonna try it again. We're gonna see if we can get a pullback here on this yen. Still not seeing anything on gold yet. Waiting to see if we're gonna get triggered on gold, but gold is gonna follow whatever the Dow's doing. So gold's probably gonna come down some more. Out of natural gas. Waiting to see if Tesla's gonna pull back here. Not getting anything on our other three stocks down here. 5, WSM, and DKS. Tesla trying to work its way down through that 908.8 level. All right, so let's see here. All right, so we're getting a 135.13 short, 135.13 short on the US yen, 135.13 short. We're at 135.13 right now on this on the U.S. yen. This particular pattern we call PAP, P-A-P. It is a short for PAP. Watching the euro, see if we get these double carrots. If we do get double carrots on the euro, that'll set us up for another buy coming up here on the euro US. Natural gas just got triggered on the HF2 buy. HF2 buy on natural gas. It's going to bring you up to 95.45. So 95.45 is going to be our profit target. And if we need to get out of the trade, we reverse. It's going to be down here at 93.95. 93.95. Okay, long natural gas, still short the US yen on 13, 135.13. All right, we'll be getting out of this yen trade here in about a minute. Less than a minute to go, so we'll be getting out of the US yen. Continue to hold on to natural gas. Either we're going to hit target and or reversal. Got a double buy coming up on euro US. Okay, gonna get out of here at 135.15 on this yen. Take a loss on the yen, US yen loss. Did reverse, got a buy on the euro US. It's coming in at the 1.0161. 0161 buy on the euro US. Love these double patterns. Real strong pattern whenever I get the double carrots next to each other like that. Particularly on shorts. Shorts are really, really strong. Anyway, that's another one of our patterns. These doubles, I like those. Could be a little choppy today. Waiting on this FOMC report to come out here at 2. So markets could be a little crazy this morning. Retail sales did come out. Little change on retail sales, but definitely a negative tone on the market. We're going to see the Dow open up lower. Wouldn't be surprised to see the Dow open 300 to 400 points lower. Waiting to see if Tesla will pull back down over here. So we're waiting on that. See if we can get down to 908.80. Yeah, I love those double play patterns. They are really, really good. And they work great on the dailies. I tried every single one. I don't miss a single one on the dailies either. Still nothing on our three stocks down here. Still waiting to see if Tesla's probably going to come down to this level after the opening, 908.80. So we'll see if it, oh, that lower opening on the down is going to push that down for us. All right, so once again, if you're watching us for the very first time or you haven't been to my YouTube channel, you're going to want to check out one of my videos. It's going to be under the educational video playlist. And it's called An Introduction to My Unconventional Trading Strategies and Methods. And that will explain a little bit more about Einstein, which I'm trading this morning on the indices, commodities, and stocks. And also more about my my core strategy, which are based on behavioral patterns, which I'm trading in the Euro US and the US Yen. So make sure that you watch that video, give you a little bit better understanding of what I do. I don't use indicators. Everything that I do is pattern-based, based off what I call behavioral patterns, something that I discovered back in the early 80s. And they continue to be effective today. And the nice thing about these particular patterns are universal. So I can apply the same pattern to any market I'm trading. It could be a crypto, stock, commodity, Forex, anything. Patterns work across the board because they're based on human behavior. And I go more into that in the video. So make sure you watch that video, An Introduction to My Unconventional Trading Strategies and Methods. All right, so nice trade on the Euro US. Love those double plays. So out of that, still waiting to see if we're going to pull back up here on this natural gas. I'd like to see it come up to 95.45. Thought 93.95 is going to be a pretty strong reversal to the downside. So we'll see what happens on that. Still waiting on Tesla, trying to come down to that 908.80. Now we've got about another 4 minutes to go before the opening bell. Take a quick look at our Dow chart here. See, we still have this price gap right in here going back to the 10th. So we need to fill up this gap down here. So I think we're going to fill up this gap. Now, if we fill up this gap, we could have a pretty good move to the downside, so we'll see. I am still anticipating this to come down and make new lows overall, so obviously not expecting to do it today, but I think overall we're going to have another leg down here on this Dow. But we'll see. Gold's getting close to a possible buy. Not seeing anything on the US yen, nothing more on the Euro US. Good job, John. Hit your goal already. Good job. Tesla's getting real close to hitting that target. Okay, gold just went long, getting triggered on a buy on the gold. See what this Dow's doing. Dow opened up down 230. Let's take a look at our gold here. All right, let's get a target here on this gold. Target on gold, looking for a 1792 target. 1792 be profit, take profit. And if we reverse, going to reverse at 1780. Still long natural gas. Now, if we reverse at 93.95, it's going to be a strong short. So we'll see. We'll reverse, take a short on natural gas. Let's see. We did hit that obviously 908.80 level on Tesla. So that being the case, that's probably going to shoot us down to. I could see it coming down to 903.80, another $5. Still long gold, still long natural gas. Not seeing anything in the currencies. Okay, get a buy on 5, but it's already hit target, so let's see here what's going on with 5. Okay, it's a buy on 5. I do see a buy on 5 still. Target on 5 is going to bring me up to 146.05. And 143.05 would be a reversal. Right, still long gold, still long natural gas. Really wouldn't be surprised to see natural gas reverse. But that'll set us up for a nice HF1 short. Wait and see if Tesla will pull back down here to 903.80. Okay, getting a buy on DKS. Going to be a little bit tighter stop here, so buy on DKS. We're sitting at 111.31. I'm going to show a target of 112.08. 112.08. As a profit target, but pretty tight stop reversal is going to be down here 110.58. 110.58. Getting another pullback on WSM. Could see WSM coming down to 165.33. All right, I put these yellows in here for pullback levels. We'll make it a little bit more clear here.
Reverse sell.
Okay, so DKS did reverse short. Now I do like this short on DKS. That could pull us down to 110.08, 110.08.
Reverse sell.
One 10.08. Okay, I did get triggered shorts. We did reverse on natural gas. So that's going to give me a new short target now, natural gas. All right, so we do have a reversal, first reversal. And that's going to, and we're also getting a reversal on gold. So two strong shorts. All right, let's take a look here. First of all, I'm going to start off with natural gas. Natural gas. First target's going to be 93.45. And it would reverse and stop at 94.95. On gold, gold is short. It's going to bring me down to 1776 on gold.
Reverse sell.
1776 on gold. Profit target. Reversal 1788. Okay, 5 reversed. Waiting for a pullback. Let's get a target on 5. All right, that can pull us down on 5 down to 142.30. All right, looks like WSM did come down to and hit that target on the downside. Still waiting for Tesla to pull back a little bit more, 5 to pull back a little bit more, DKS to pull back a little bit more. Short gold, short natural gas. Nothing going on the indices. Indices still coming down. Not seeing anything on the currencies yet. Einstein's going to have reversals anywhere between 25 to 30% of the time, but we are going to hit targets before reversals. On average, overall, about 72%. Now, when you're trading Einstein, we don't recommend that you trade more than one particular market at a time. Particularly in indices, and sometimes when they're all hitting at the same time, it's really hard to trade that because sometimes it hits and it goes pretty quick. So the idea is just to really just stick with one and continue to play it out. I wouldn't trade more than, the max I would trade would be 2, but I would trade something that's pretty slow mover like gold. And you could do gold, natural gas a little bit faster mover than gold. Or if you're trading indice, definitely wouldn't do more than one indice. RTY is a good one. You don't see the E-mini S&P. You could trade the E-mini S&P in gold. Those are 2 really good combinations. Wouldn't extend more than 2. And it's just too hard to follow. All right, Dow's down 189. Now this is a really good place to add on gold. If you're not short, it's a good, or another place if you wanted to add on an additional short. This is a good level to short another gold. Much tighter risk, bigger profit target. So anywhere between 1783 and 1784, a good place to add another gold with a target of 776. Another good place to add short on natural gas. If you're not short, this would be a really good place to add somewhere around this 943, 944 level. Still a target of 93.45. So anyway, anywhere in here, 94, 94.44, 94.40, 94.43. See if we're going to pull back on Tesla down here. Also waiting on 5 to pull down to its level. Alright, natural gas coming back down again. Gold slowly working its way lower. Dow's down 198. All right, still short natural gas, still short gold. All right, can just continue to hold short on natural gas and gold. Slow movers right now. I think we're going to hit, though. I like the setup on both of them. Both HF1 shorts. Natural gas trying to come down here to hit target at 93.45. All right, so we're coming up to the top of the hour once again. Those on YouTube and Facebook, thank you for joining us this morning. We do this every morning live for the first hour. Free to all non-subscribers. After that, we do go to our live room and continue to trade on. Once again, for more information, you can always go to my YouTube channel, innovative tradingstrategies.com. Plenty of educational videos out there. Also our website, if you have any questions. And that's going to be it. Big report, FOMC coming out today. Going to provide some really good scalping opportunities, so we'll be watching for that. And natural gas is almost hitting target, and we're still working our way down on gold, so those two look good. Nothing on our stocks. So that's going to be it for today. Everybody have a good trading day. Be careful, take care, and we'll see you first thing tomorrow morning.